Hey, how are you, Jamie? Jamie, hi. Yes, we're just hanging out here at the beach. Just walked here to the beach scene we got here. Pretty much our own little beach here. How much do you like it here, Jamie? Oh yeah, you gonna go swimming? Well, so I just came to this conclusion today that my brain is Buddhist, my heart is Sufi, and my body is animist, which means I believe everything has spirit or life. And I just came to sit on a rock, and I swear the rock was talking to me. And I think Jamie thought the rock was talking as well. Well, from a beach only about a 10-minute walk from the MEA campus, private as can be. I'm here, thinking big thoughts, sounding like I'm on mushrooms, and enjoying a lovely afternoon of spaciousness and freedom with our dog Jamie.